Our buckwheat pillows are filled with buckwheat hulls that can be moved around inside the pillow to perfectly fit your body. They are a natural and sustainable pillow filling. You can adjust the height of ComfyComfy buckwheat pillows by adding buckwheat hulls to make it higher and firmer, or removing buckwheat hulls to make your pillow flatter and less firm. In this video, we're going to show you how to use a cylindrical buckwheat pillow if you sleep on your side. Place your head on the pillow, making sure your shoulder is on the mattress and not the pillow. Your head should not be tilted upwards or downwards when lying on the pillow. The curves of your head and neck are unique to you and should be properly supported when sleeping. ComfyComfy buckwheat pillows easily mold to cradle the curves of your head and neck. Lying on your side, push the top of the pillow downwards towards your shoulders and push the side of the pillow inwards towards your face. You want to move the hulls so that they fill the hollow between your shoulder and the top of your neck. If you feel discomfort anywhere, for example your ear, just use your hand to push the hulls away from that area. When sleeping on your side, it's a good idea to support your upper shoulder and arm because without it, you may feel strain in your upper shoulder and back. Hugging a pillow between your arms will elevate your upper elbow and reduce stress on your shoulder. Lastly, place the pillow between your legs to support your upper leg and to reduce strain on your hips and lower back. Thank you for joining us. Check out our other videos for using buckwheat hull pillows to make your life more supportive and comfortable.